Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you this afternoon?
We are fine, sir.
Alright, I'm glad to hear that from all of you. Class secretary, may I know who is in the class? Is that fine with you all?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I want you to keep all the things that are not needed in our discussion. Please sit properly and do not talk with your seatmates. What will you do if there is someone talking here in front? Yes, Julius?
Sir.
Very good. How about if you're going to answer my question? Yes, Cassandra.
Raise your right hand, sir.
Okay. How about if we have a group activity? Yes, Angel Grace Patoy?
Please offer this.
Bravo. So, do we have an agreement now?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Now, before we proceed to our discussion, let's have an activity. But before that, who can still remember our previous topic? Yes, Aranja.
Work, sir.
Very good. Excellent. It's all about work. As a sort of review, let's have an activity. And this activity class is called Fact or Bluff. I'm going to group the class into two groups. This must be the group 1, and this must be the group 2. What you're going to do, I'll give you a flashcard consists of fact and a bluff. And if the statement is false, we're going to raise the flashcard bluff, and if the statement is true, you're going to raise the flashcard fact. Are we clear, class?
Yes, sir.
But class, let's put it a twist. Instead, I'm going to tally the score. I'll give you each group a balloon. And this balloon, guys, Indonesia, silbi mo score. Kini nga balloon, if example, the group 2 got the wrong answer, just one representative from group 1, ilabuton ang isa ka balloon sa group 2, kaya ang group 2 na wrong. Same sab ang gapon sa group 2, sa group 1, if ang group 1 na wrong. So, I'll just give you 5 seconds, guys, to answer those statements. So, are we clear, class?
Yes, sir.
I can't hear you, class. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Alright, everyone gather here in front so that you can help with your group mates. So, this must be the flashcard from group 2 and group 1. And here is your balloon. Here. And for the group 2, all right, class, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's start. You're given 5 seconds. So, your 5 seconds is now ready. All right, time's up, flashcards up. The answer is reveal the vote. Fact, and everyone got the correct answer. Very good. Now, moving to statement number 2. Your timer is alright. Alright, time's up. Your answer is bluff. And the answer is yes, correct. The answer is bluff. So everybody got the correct answer. Now, let's go to statement number 3. Alright, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Alright. Alright. Wow, everybody also have a group from group 2, we have that, and from group 1, we have that. And the answer is ta-da! Okay, very good, everybody. Everybody got the correct answer. Now let's go to statement number 4. Alright, for statement number 4. Are you all ready?
Yes,
1, 2, 3, go! Alright! We have also, okay, naala po tayo the same nga answer. And the answer is, fact! Very good! Alright, now, okay, let's go back. Alright, for the last statement, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, go! Alright, wow! We also have the same answer. From group 2 we have bluff, and from group 1 we have bluff. And the answer is fact! Wow! Everyone got the wrong answer, so please get one representative from each group to pop one of their balloon. Alright! So, since all of the group has a tie score, everybody got the right. But let's give everyone a bang bang clap. Do you know bang bang clap? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, bang bang. Like that. Okay, everyone, please stand up. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Bang bang. Alright, now take your seat. So, do you still have any question regarding to our previous topic?
No, sir.
Very good. Now, let's have another activity. And this activity class is move or address. So, I have a basket here. And this basket, we have address, and this is move. So, we also have a pictures here. And I have a box here to see of all your names. What we're going to do is, we're going to pick one of the students and choose any picture there and put it. It's either move or it's either rest. Are we clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, I'm going to pick a first lucky student. So the first lucky student is Desiree. Come on. Okay. So choose any picture. Alright. That picture is a boy sliding in the slide. And it's moved. Desiree got the class. It's moving or not?
Moving.
Very good. Desiree got the correct answer. Thank you, Desiree. Now, let's have another person. And we have Cassandra. So, choose any picture, Cassandra. Alright. Cassandra choose a picture and apple. So, the apple is it's moving or it's not?
Yes.
Very good. Cassandra got the correct answer. Thank you, Cassandra. Now let's have another student. We have Flores Rarano. So choose any picture. Rarano. Okay. So, Rarano got a boy stretching a tirador. Can you tirador class? Okay, very good. And it's at rest because wala pa niya bulan ang tinadoriya pa lang ipainat kung yung position. Alright, very good. Thank you, Florence. Now, let's have another student. And we have Angel Grace Patoy. Alright. Choose any picture. Okay. So, Angel, choose a picture and put it in the move basket. This picture is walking and it's moving. Thank you, Angel, because you got the correct answer. Now, let's have another person. We have two pictures left. And we have Shalami Villas. Alright, Shala. Alright. Okay. Thank you, Shala. Shala, choose a picture when the boy throw a ball. Ball in the ring. So it's moving, and Shala got the correct answer. Very good. Now, for the last picture, who was this kind of person? We have Hannah Monteverde. Alright, Hannah choose the last one when the boy stretched an arrow and it advanced. Thank you, Hannah. Hannah got the correct answer. Now, class, do you have any idea what our lesson for today? Yes, that's it.
I think, sir, our lesson for today is about energy.
Alright, our lesson for today is all about mechanical energy. So, at the end of this discussion, I'm expecting the student to attain this following objective. Can you please read the objective, Jana?
At the end of the discussion, the students should be able to define what is potential and kinetic energy, differentiate the potential and kinetic energy, and explain what is mechanical energy.
Alright, thank you, Jana. Mechanical energy means more work than the kinetic energy also comes in different forms, such as light, sound, heat, chemical, and mechanical energy. There are two kinds of mechanical energy. We have the kinetic energy and the potential energy. Kinetic energy, class, is energy which is is an object directly proportional to the mass and to the square its velocity. The kinetic energy is a energy of a motion in position. We also have potential energy, stored energy having potential to do mechanical work. So I have 4 minutes video clip class, and what we're going to do is pay attention because after that we have another activity. So, do you get it, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Thank you. Learn what is potential energy and kinetic energy. So let's get started. First, let's see what is potential energy. It is the energy which is stored in an object or arranged due to its position and configuration of time. Let's understand it with the help of examples. Which ball will come down with more energy? Blue ball or red ball? Blue ball will come down with more energy because blue ball had more energy due to more height. Well, which energy is it? It is potential energy. Energy possessed by an object due to its position is potential energy. The higher
Skip that
the
video,
position of
please.
the object, the more the potential.
Alright, so now class, did you understand the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And what have you understood from the video? Anyone? Yes?
Talks about mechanical energy, ma'am.
Exactly. Thank you. Okay, another? Yes? Okay, great idea. Thank you. Please sit down. So now that you already understood, let's have an activity entitled My Task, My Energy. In this activity, you're just going to identify where the statements belong. It's either kinetic energy or potential energy. That's how it's easy. And I will print your name here in the box. And whoever is the lucky name that I will pick, just stand up and choose your lucky number here. And read the statements and identify where it belongs. Is that all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so now let's start. Please stand up, Zane. No, just stand up there. Yes. kinetic energy or potential energy?
It is potential energy.
Alright, so now let's find out. So your answer is correct. May tama ka. Thank you today. Okay, next. Okay, Shana.
Number 3. Due to the extremely hot weather, Roland's mom asked him to fetch water from the well, its kinetic energy.
Your answer is wrong. Yes, your answer is wrong, but it's okay, Shana. Just better luck next time. Okay, next. Kiara. Joshabel.
Number 5. Baby Angelo is enjoying something in his pacifier. Potential energy.
Okay, your answer is correct. Magaling. Thank you. Sit down. Okay, next. Genevieve.
Number 1.
Okay. First, the number 1.
Anna was about to do laundry, but she saw that the white clothes and the colored clothes were placed in the basket. So she took the white clothes and put them in another basket so that she could do the laundry properly. It's potential energy.
Okay, your answer is correct. Thank you, Genevieve. And lastly, please stand up. Aranya.
After Steve finishes homework, he noticed that his room was untidy. So he got the broom and tried to clean the room. Potential mass.
Okay, your answer is correct. Tumpak, Aranya. Thank you. Please sit down. Okay, and now we're done with our activity. So did you enjoy it, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so now let's further your understanding of our lesson today. And let's proceed to our next activity. Are you excited, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so now I will divide you into 2 groups. These are the group 1 and these are the group 2. Each group we will have a toys, and you're going to operate the toys here in front. And after that, you're going, and these are the procedure. Please read the procedure.
Procedure. Operate each toy to move and observe closely what causes it to work to stop moving. For each toy, identify all forms of energy involved in the process.
Okay, thank you. And after that, you're going to answer the guide questions. Please read, everyone.
What does the toy or object do? What energy changes take place as this toy or object operates? What form does the stored energy start out with? What form does the stored energy when it stops? What form is the output energy when it stops?
Alright, so now is that all clear? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so now these are your toys. And I will give you 5 minutes to prepare and to get ready, and your timer starts now. Okay, Yumi starts now. Sa pag-prepare.
enough.